The beginning of this video got lost, so pretended we had a great intro.
Pillows for one thing.
Hey, pillows.
$26, right? That's not even the
It's not that one. It's a different one. But you know the gist. 20 bucks. We need some towels.
year. 25 for 6.
25 for 6. I think we need 2 of those. And then we're going to need 2 of these. These are the medium ones. What are these called? Hand towels. And then these are the personal one. 2 of these. Washcloths. Let's go. Some washy clothies. That's what? 25, 19, and 14. All right.
You haven't said that the first step was done, which was heating the hot dog.
Oh, yeah.
You're not a good
First
cameraman.
step is eating hot dogs at Costco. Always. There you go.
It's only $1.50.
$3 if you count both of us.
See, it's $20 for an iron.
20 bucks.
You can go to Walmart and get the cheapest thing that looks pretty bad.
Yeah, it does.
You can get one good brand here for $20.
There you go. Sometimes it's worth paying a little bit more for these stuff. They steal them a lot, so don't just go all out.
They do?
Yeah. We lose the irons. I think I buy like 100 of those a year.
Really?
Yeah. So if you got like laminate floors or wood floors, these things are a must. Those laminate, those vinyl things, they claim they're scratch proof.
You looked at the price, right?
Yeah, no, what are those?
These are a must.
Must.
Hangers.
But there's the furry ones.
Yeah, they do steal them, but it's only $11.99.
$11.99 for a pack of 50, so that you only really need like 6 per unit.
Yeah, but those they do steal them.
Yeah, they take them, they break them, they hit each other with them. Who knows what they do with them? See what else? Mattresses. We gotta upgrade our mattresses. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Where are we gonna do it for high season?
Yeah, we gotta do it. We got a week that's empty. I think next week we'll just get it here, right?
Yeah, but let me see. Probably they're not gonna have over.
We need like what? 2 queens and a king. Queen, 4, queen, $600. Not bad. 5 and 600. Get it nice and comfy. A comfy guest is a good review.
My mom was pissed off.
She was pissed off?
Yeah, because she had her Clorox wipes.
Clorox wipes. Get 2.
Safe, like in a corner, so nobody would take it.
And I took it. I'm the one who took it.
You're the one?
Yeah, I'm taking all the Clorox. I just go through them like butter, okay? Let's see.
Did you film this part? Which is very important.
I'm in the process.
$15 for 5.
$5, $15. They don't last too long, but they're good. And they're scented. They got like a good smell. Oh. Sweet Jesus Patonis. Get some of these for the dishwashers. Just one, right?
Yeah. But you don't have to get the ones. Yeah. Okay, so now let's get some coffee. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put the microphone on. So the good stuff, creamer, $7.99. Let's go for the coffee. Probably the Kirkland one is the cheapest. Ooh, that's looking like it's gonna be. Okay, let's make a bet. How much you think that's gonna be?
We have $3.50. That's like a golden rule for Costco.
I say 400. Let's see who's closer. No, that's for espresso. So we look at the prices. We grab the cheapest one, which is still good. Maxwell. Let's grab 2.
2?
Yeah.
Two's gonna be too much. A lot of I refilled them not too long ago.
Okay. And then we have to get sugar.
Yeah, sugar.
So $18.29. Oh no, it's right there. Leave it.
Ah,
Our old favorite is right here on the corner because they always change everything.
yeah, good old
Folgers.
Old
Who doesn't like Folgers?
I don't.
Everybody likes Folgers when it's.
I like my La Llave. It's like a Cubano cafe.
Very interesting because one time we tried to put the
What do you want to do, like this one?
espresso. Yeah. We tried to put them on an espresso machine and nobody knew how to use it.
Yeah.
So.
Like
Or maybe they just didn't like it.
They're generic.
So that's one of those
coffee.
things that you don't have to add into your Airbnb. Okay, looking for the first aid kits, which are the best.
Costco
The
ones are actually
biggest.
really good. They have a bunch of stuff.
And people incredibly use it.
Or they steal it. It's always one or the other. They use it, they steal it, or they throw it away.
I don't
Oh,
believe
but
that
it's
somebody.
lost. Nah.
I don't believe that somebody's gonna steal a first aid
Thank
kit.
you. Man, that first aid kit really is missing.
It's just they move everything.
Yeah.
So Omar won the bet
I win.
because the trip was $363. I thought that it was gonna be more around 400. So you know your numbers, huh?
No, I just know my weight. It's like a Costco rule. Second you go in, you're gonna come out with $350 of expenses.
But it's always good to know that you have to get, if you're gonna get Costco, the membership, you have to get the executive one. I have not paid not even once for the membership because they give you points, and we usually we spend like $350 a month around there. So the membership is for free if you do the executive and you actually buy a lot of stuff. Where did we leave the car?
Oh, in the corner. This Costco is packed on a recession. Holy moly! Let me tell you, you want to gauge a recession? You go to Costco. Like, look at that.
Yeah, and the Costco's all the way up back there. Yeah. Be stuff here for the cleaning. And now somehow we have to fit all of this. So, next car. What is it called? Escalade? The Cadillac Escalade.
Well, for Airbnb purposes.
S extended.
It's gonna be a little Transit Ford.
New. Sports. Or whatever the most expensive model is, and the biggest one. That's the one that I want.
Okay.
The bigger the better.
Amen.
Yeah.
Amen.
See? And then 2 kids, look at this. The car seats are just for storage of other items. I understand why people used to buy the vans. They're the ugliest thing, but you definitely need them. Show your skills on Tetris.
My age is showing.
Your age? Are you gonna be able to see the back of the car? Your rear view mirror is gonna be blocked.
You said you need one of those.
Who said you need a big car?
Yeah.
Nah.
Just squeeze everything.
Yeah.
The back.
Never do this. You always grab your cart and slowly but surely you put it back in its place like a civilized human.
I love Costco.
Why?
You get bang for your buck. You know, it's expensive. You got to buy by the book, but it lasts a while.
Yeah. We usually do like once a month, right?
I think so.
And what is it for how many Airbnbs? Is it 9? 8?
7 or 8 that we actually have to buy supplies for.
Yeah.
And it's once a month, $350 on average. We've had some $500 visits, but that's not too normal. Like this one in general was more expensive because we had to get towels. We don't always have to get towels.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but lately people have destroyed the towels.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what it is that they don't get as clean and as bright as before.
It could be the detergent that we're using. We're using different detergent, right?
This is the one. That's for another video. The detergent that it took us probably 4 years for me to find which one was the best one. That's in a different video.
A laundry list of how we clean it, what supplies we do.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
So far, the best gems out of Costco are the Clorox wipes the towels that are very cheap, which we're gonna put somewhere around here, the actual prices for each towel. Things like the coffee, the creamer, the sugar, and then the linens. Back in the day, they used to have white linens that were like $20 for the queen.
Oh, you're talking about like the bed sheets?
Yeah, the bed sheets.
Ah, yeah.
And then they stopped having
Where do we
the
get it
white
now?
ones.
It's like Amazon, right?
Yeah, and then we started getting the Amazon one, but they're not as good because we get like the cheapest ones. But it still does the job.
Go once. It lasted a long time.
We still have, after 4 years.
Yeah, we still have one that's from Costco.
We have one set. So
One
they still have those sheets that are cheap and they're like pretty good quality. But they don't have them in plain white anymore. They have like some designs, colors, and stuff like that. Those are really good. Comforters, we don't find them there because they're too expensive.
Yeah, you want to get a comforter that's not going to destroy the washing machine either.
Oh yeah, that's another thing. If you don't have like a professional commercial grade washer, you're gonna have to find ways of how to not put too much weight on your washer, which that was happening a lot with the bath rug. There's some that get like really heavy, the ones that have the plastic in the back, and that was no fun to wash. It's usually washers, they last us like 2 years.
Yeah, washers be we haven't tried a commercial one, but the ones that we've tried GE, we've tried Samsung, we've tried, I think Whirlpool was the one that was the chaka one.
Yeah,
We've tried them where they spin like this. We've tried them when they have the thingy.
the best ones are the chaka ones.
Yeah, that's a chaka.
They're really old ones that nobody wants to get because they're ugly.
Yeah, those things are tanks. Woo.
Yeah. So if you're gonna buy a washer for Airbnb, don't get the pretty, don't get the energy saving washer, the blah blah blah. And then they take like it can be an hour and a half just to wash a load. Which with the other ones, the very basic, but I'm saying basic, like not, it's hard to find them that in that old model. So those for a load is like 30 minutes compared to the energy saving one supposedly that is like an hour and a half that they can be washing. And then you end up washing everything in speed wash because you just don't have time to do all of it.
Yeah.
If you want more tips on Airbnb, supplies, real estate, please subscribe, like, share, because you care. Bye-bye.